Monjo Muriro Ndizi TV andonza sobedra nigo Charagire Chinsa Ikomi cy'abantu marwa hari tuko neria Ramisi chitariki isano ne momotinyo kanu mwaka w'igirubere ne 2023 anenekera abakristo bagendete kwiyarigania ochaziritsko lya Good Friday dire litsko lyangiga ndonse abakristo bale nigongo baganeri Good Friday yengi anenekera mwendete kwiyarigania gochi se oko litsko lya Pasaka anekerere amangana a Good Friday kero manne yose mwana Yesu abegetwe somusaraba ngokwariana SMS mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ndo manyana lyandete gwatika imena isko ya Gusii karatorena siasa nigobona nde yeiranire omukondoye kerabana siasa nande bano bakakuruderana jinsaze chintindi anekaratora bo mubwasi myuro moja bokurabana Raila Odinga nigo batware gikaro asabarai bo mubanyara bahwikirana sibakwanira ali barengete serikali yakore asebo igotwara umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nere anyarire kaode abuna okrobe kantari gukora konyense ya Kenya kodende no gochamo kwa barai ayuniga yakwana sensemeli ya Nyandarua ayo ngati yali na kodende jinze jikomi kokoborio benenje goikomweri Joshua Auta neto kubatera nere kurwa senseme yumuntu bemanyerelyo ekarabigari nyanja makwene kuna malio gine chibichago chira senjera bene iriane Brighton Makori. Ekerobono ya rekandebune EMEREMO te ya sense yeito ya Kenya niga baiboli banyarire bagosemiwa na gosegetuna banyare bagosemia na kwa bana babo moyo asogoswase giskuru ijobubundi elikwenyorra ega gozikwenyorra amasomo gosegwe semigoro yejigasiri chamako kaukwana aseskuru yobubundi yekerubogie taye gotoka sebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira omosubati Joyce Mwale oibono romoteneri bwechi GTV Vocational Training Center asense ya Kenya nigateruna nerebuya abana gosaborokiwa kwerikia sigiskuru ejo nikonyora masomo asenjira y'ububundi ayuna aragendeta senseme yute turenga kyanyara kaukwana.
Ni jukumu lenu kulete watoto na watoto pia students wale mnasoma msifikirie ya kwamba you are in the wrong place. Let no one cheat you that TVET is for those who have not made it, those who have not made it to go to universities. No. In fact, currently as a ministry we are really trying to work with those students who qualified to join universities, but now they've opted to come to our TVET institutions as our champions. So you are in the right place. Let no one tell you that mimi nilianguka. Hapana. Hata kwa wazazi, yule mtoto ama kijana ambao uko naye ambaye hajafanikiwa akona ujuzi, kwa mfano anaweza kuwa ni fundi na akona ule ujuzi na ana certificate. Hakikisha ya kwamba umejienroll na umekuja kulizia katika institution yote ya TVET ambayo iko karibu na utakuwa able kuambiwa namna ya kufanya.
Toroboti uribono kurwa senseme yekirubogie tai ni gorogendete kumurikirwa na kurugirirwa no muri kwitu job mangi iwano chikoronyora asenjira yabenege koragense yamo yabona margoba anekero eskuru eyobubundi yabwate graduation gose aborko barkobekero chigutwa ase enseme ikodogosuka bosio umuriki wekiombe kia kupete sorosagi rwa Kisii Josephat Abinja ni gobona nyarire kakobori ekiombegerietenete amatema sense ya Kenya National Examination Council okwene kibina ngwakana kere aborokia bali banyarite bakomakia matemu yo mwaka ori onyarite kogweta kaukwana aseskuru ya Kisii High School nigobono Obinja nyarire kago ichanira engane ina goikabono aborokiwa mbaranyore ngeri yabo eyaberuna nomosigo monne asobogima bwabo
tumerana n'abaminto leaders bande ba Nyanse ngima twari gukwana igoro yamangana y'abantu baito bamagete matemu abari mu baito bamagete matemu bakarenda matemu bakaboniga body area tenerete abamangana y'amatemu Kenya National Examination Council bakaboniga terakana bari mu twari gusaba that Kenya National Examination Council ekole buwango yakana bari mu abuchi basichabo bakorete gas muna bari barendeta amatemu bari ba transported y'amatemu bari bande bamagete y'amatemu bakaboniga muna tonda tukukwana body inja tangaze tabari mu bati go train muna examiners bati bakabakania twali gusaba serikali na amangana yo wakania bari mekerode doja ko train babere muna professionals bago baja ko koregas turiko bakania aba kimeje so ito negendere the Kisii school year regionals lakini serikali through Ministry of Education try release funds bacha abatumia gutumia se chikoche riveries and everybody else egente ke kiarenge kia akarokia bekira se kesha heads association yale ko manage besecho lakini akaroje tu ase ministry hiccups chirone chinyinge ikotogo saba ngonye serikali ya sinyuru through the Ministry of Education gotenenia mangana hiyo tigabaira ni egente kase kiarengase ase Kenya Heads Association kyaga barabugo konyako bari ko bayikeji to bayikera kagera abantu baito banyora abari
Abakenya bari konya batayete gosoka ku jinsi jisiko korene ji passport jabo janyaride chikonyorwa nigo bono bari no mweso magiga yumuriki ubotambase wisara ya Immigration Studios Koliri anyarire kwene kibuna bono niga Abakenya banyorwa mweso kera masakara ali ji passport anyarire ka wikasense yeito ya Kenya ka kwana litukola niga kerige tambokere ikyo asebona keira Abakenya mbuyamona soko babaremereria asebona bawukonyorwa bokoreria senjera engia
to receive passports from abroad, which had been ordered about 2 months ago. As you may be aware, there has been delays in issuance of passport because our stocks were very low. But today I'm happy to announce that we have received over 100,000 booklets for passports. So from now, the process of issuance of passports will be faster, will be more efficient, and I urge all Kenyans to turn out, those who have not received passports, to come and pick this very important document. I want to tell also Kenyans, I want to thank Kenyans for being patient with us. We've been waiting for these booklets for some time, but we are happy to announce that they are now here. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's really good news for all of us that now those applicants who want to travel, those applicants who want to go for jobs abroad, those who want to visit their friends and family abroad, those who want to travel, passports are now available for you. So you can take your time. There's more adjustment. You know, the problem has been we are adjusting. We applied for 66 pages. We are told they are out of stock, and we have to change to maybe 45 pages or vice versa. So right now, we have enough stocks that will be able to serve Kenyans.
Omurai wenze ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto ni gobona nyarire kubabori abarai bonzi nohembali bakurwa senzemo y'ukwameriria serikali anene asimyuro moja wa Kenya akubadzi serikali erigoikirania maganio y'Abakenya asense ya Kenya kaukwana asense meli ya Nyandarua ekeracha kimiroberio ao ya magendero nigo murai wenza atebiruna okurobekana ngubwati chibulinde lyonsi eruo kuimukereri uchumi yense ya Kenya satebiruna abantu nababukuri chisuburi babeke motwe babeke magongo machibuta yaratoke kolende nelia barai bachamo na kubatirana.
Tayari tuko na ardhi tumepatiwa na county, ardhi ingine tutatoa kama national government, ili wakati tunapanga mambo ya kupeleka Kenya mbele tusiache vijana wetu pia wapate ajira. Tunapanga ajira kwa housing, tunapanga ajira kwa industrial park, tunapanga ajira hata kwa kazi kama hii, ndio hawa vijana wapate ajira, wachangie katika kupeleka taifa letu la Kenya mbele. Tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana jameni? Kuna kazi ingine mingi ambayo sitasema leo, lakini kwa sababu tulikubaliana tupange mambo ya maendeleo ya Kenya, na wauliza viongozi wale wengine wote ya kwamba hatuwezi kuendelea kusema mambo ya viongozi tena. Sasa tupange mambo ya wananchi. Ama namna gani? Tunaelewana? Ndio nimeuliza wale viongozi wote, hata viongozi wa upinzani, tuwache ubinafsi. Tupange mambo ya maendeleo ya wananchi. Hatuwezi kusema ya kwamba tunaenda tena kupanga mambo ya viongozi kule, na kazi ya saa hii ni kwenda shambani ili tuzalishe chakula tuweze kuondoa njaa. Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Nyandarua, mimi niwaulize, hata tufanye maandamano kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni, hata tuweke sufuria kwa kichwa na tuongeze kwa mgongo, bei ya chakula itashuka chini? Si lazima tuwasaidie nyinyi wakulima ndio muzalishe chakula, ndio tuweze kuondoa njaa? Sijui nani atawafundisha wale majamaa wa sufuria kwa kichwa. Tunaelewana jameni? Tumekubaliana? Ati kichwa yao ni mbaya? Sasa sijui iliharibika siku gani.
Sensemo ya yemokonyi bomurai bwensa sinsito ya Kenya rigatigashawa nere niganyare kawate habuna tali ero gokana handshake usoko bwatana kumurai bwense amono murai bo mawasi miura moja kolende kolengana na rigati nigatera na Kenya bakanire handshake.
Sisi hapa katika Central Kenya, Your Excellency, tulikuchagua, tulikupenda kwa sababu wewe ni mfanyikazi. Umerudi hapa kuleta maendeleo ya barabara. Umetupangia mambo ya bolea, na hiyo bolea nitafuatilia ifike hapa. Rais wetu, wewe fanya kazi. Hawa watu ya maandamano wachia mimi. Ninatosha sitoshi? Unajua Your Excellency, sisi hatutaki wewe kusumbuka. Hawa watu waende waongee na mheshimiwa Kimani Ichung'wa. Huyu rais awachiwe nafasi afanye kazi. Na Your Excellency, nimewaambia hawa wanasema ati watarudi kwa barabara. Kwani barabara kuna pahali zimeenda? Ati watakuja kuharibu biashara, inawezekana? Nimeru atiriri. Marauga nimaguthukia indo citu. Mukungire akorire. Mukungi akorire. Na waicake heri no weke. Gutire kindu kia mundu giguthukio Kenya. Jabe ni president wa Kenya. Ni uhoro ama? Rais wetu anatosha hatoshi? Pale 2027 tumemaliza maneno. Akuja aendelee asiendelee? Aendelee asiendelee? Rais wetu tungetaka kuhakikishia sisi hapa katika Mlima Kenya. Sisi tukipenda mtu tumependa. Na sisi hatufichi. Sisi tuliamua tutakaa na wewe for 10 years. Hata kuwe na majaribio, hata uchumi kuwe na shida gani. Once tumeamua. Na sisi si watu ya kurudi nyuma. Na sisi hatuwezi rudi nyuma. Kwa sababu sisi na wewe tulipendana na tuko na maagano.
Como Brighton Cabinet Secretary Musari Mudavadi nere no arengiamo nabaraia bwasense meyu ya Nyandarua asinerate abuna nechinga kicha magendero kolende tali siasa.
Yeye apewe nafasi atekeleze sera zake. Kule Amerika yule Biden alishinda Donald Trump. Si namna hiyo? Sasa Biden anaweza tekeleza sera za Trump? Anaweza? Kwa hivyo wale walishindwa wagoje wapate nafasi yao siku yao. Wasijaribu kusema Ruto rais wa Kenya kwanza na sera za Kenya kwanza, awachane na sera za Kenya kwanza, atekeleze sera za Azimio. Haiwezekani. Si namna hiyo?
Obomo bwasimio moja wani Kenya rebokura wana Raila Odinga amata karua karonzo msiokali tukurero nigo banyaraba kumira nase county ya Machakos anekero banyareba ukwanda mange alibaringete serikali ya Kenya kwanza keokora kaukwana sense meyo anekero bono bomo banyarire boko bwatuka malieta y'abantu batanu na babere abo bagochikumira na bali ba Kenya kwanza iriko gaya na mangana arengetenze ya Kenya nigo Raila amochiria barayi ba Kenya kwanza bali bagoteba bona nigatagete gwetero murango magega goswase serikali.
Now, these people keep on saying that we lost elections and they wanted a handshake. Shame on them. We did not lose the elections in 2007. Nor did we lose in 2017 or in 2013. Because they said, oh, always losing and complaining. We did not lose any of those elections. So I don't want to go much further than that. I just want to make that clarification for everybody else that handshake, one of the authors of handshake is none other than President Mr. William Samoei Ruto. The governor of Wajir is there. Where is he? Oh, because it's going to be here. He asked me to give him a chance to, because we want to leave to rush to Wajir. But if it's going for president, when he comes back, he will do that. Thank you very much.
Asensemo yaye matakarua nere nigatebre na bono goike serikali ya Kenya kwanza nyaragi kugura chisava erikiro montaroren ngobwete chikura chomwaka oitakao kwa na asenseme yubono ya Machakos igatirina bakoigura bakonyorana nabo babwete goika bairo bobui bwabo bakonyora Kenya Kwanza yabwete goikinyare babatigere obobui bwabo ayani gaja kwana bono ekero banyara bagochore timu eyego chikoba asige karokeri na Kenya Kwanza kati abarayi bali bachorwa ngamo numugabana no mosenta we county ya Narok oredama orekina umugabana we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sivuna umugabana mosenta we county ya Kitui eno kuambua amona abande tetura kimata karwanira nyaraka kwana igoro yo kwigorwa wage server.
Now why again are we talking about the server? To us it is very important, and our leader has already pointed out the problems our people are having are a priority. Yes. Cost of living, and I don't have to go to it, it has been covered. But why the server? The server is also about the people. What is the use of going to elections if we can never know the truth about how people voted? We were here in 2007, 2009, 2008. We were here in 2013. We were here in 2017. Now we are talking of 2022, 4 elections. Why do we never get to the bottom of the matter? Because we sweep the dirt under the carpet. This time round, no dirt under the carpet. Let us open the server and discover the truth. Reforms will be meaningless. Any reforms of the electoral system or IBC will be meaningless without first arriving at the truth.
On every aspect of the cost of living. They say that the cost of unga has gone up because of the handshake, Yababa na Uhuru. They say that the cost of fuel has gone up because the prices were fixed in a boardroom. Na Uhuru waondoke kwa barabara, chakula itakuwa imerudi chini. So that cannot be an issue that we take to a committee. It cannot be a subject of the committees that we are forming. It is upon those who are in office, of course illegally, but they are the ones sitting and they are the ones making the policies to ensure that they make the policies to bring down the cost of living.
Ayubono yomo bwasimiuro moja wa ni Kenya no tokorera mangana ito Chinsa Ikomi chabona marwaba konde nyona ge koragense yabona marwano chikonyora yomona mange bunande wat kembine isko ya Gusii no kobodi nagenda kuri list bine rubwansu Gusii oyorenga sensa miri umuntu bamyerero Joshua Auta ekera bugari nyanja mene kuna mali ogine chibejago cheira senjera bene ekero kwaradiro mangana ya NTOTAGETI Brighton Makori.